Saying goodbye with heart. Understanding. Bid a fond farewell. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a heartfelt phrase in the English language, bid a fond farewell. This expression is rich with emotion and tradition, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so special. Stay tuned to master this beautiful phrase. Bid a fond farewell is a phrase composed of 3 key words, each carrying significant meaning. To bid in this context means to express a wish or say something. Fond reflects a feeling of affection or liking, and farewell is a way of saying goodbye. Together, this phrase means saying goodbye to someone with warmth, affection, and good wishes. It's often used in emotional or formal situations, highlighting the speaker's deep appreciation for the person being addressed. This phrase is most appropriately used in sentimental or formal situations. Whether you're saying goodbye to a colleague on their last day at work, parting ways with a dear friend moving to another country, or even at the end of a significant event, bid a fond farewell adds a touch of heartfelt sincerity to your goodbye. Example sentences. As she prepared to move to a new city for her job, her friends gathered to bid her a fond farewell. After years of dedicated service, the company bid a fond farewell to its retiring CEO. Understanding the cultural context behind farewells can enhance your usage of the phrase. Farewells are not just goodbyes, they are moments of respect, acknowledgement, and hope for future reunions. Bid a fond farewell encapsulates these emotions, offering a respectful and loving goodbye that honors the relationship between the individuals. We hope this video has helped you understand the beauty and depth of the phrase, bid a fond farewell. It's a powerful way to express your feelings when parting ways, filled with affection and respect. Remember, mastering such expressions can greatly enrich your English communication, allowing you to convey emotions more effectively. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful lessons. Farewell for now, and may you always find the right words to express your heart.